In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a template to an envelope in DocuSign eSignature, your go-to tool for sending, signing, and managing documents electronically with ease. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can feel confident in using templates to streamline your workflow. First things first, you'll want to navigate to DocuSign by opening your preferred web browser and logging into your account. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a few options. Look for and click on the tab labeled Templates. This section is dedicated to all the templates you've previously created or have access to. When you're in the Templates section, your next step is to click on the Use button. This button is typically found next to the specific template you wish to employ. By clicking on it, you're essentially preparing the template for further customization so that it suits your specific needs for the current task. Now, with the template ready, it's time to fill in the details. Begin by selecting the name of the individual who will be receiving the envelope. This is crucial as it personalizes the document and ensures it's going to the right person. Moving on, you will need to input the email address of the recipient. This is a critical step because this is how the document will reach them. Make sure to double check the spelling of the email to prevent any errors or undeliverable messages. Now that you've specified who the envelope is going to, it's time to add any additional recipients if necessary. Simply click on Add Recipient and repeat the process of entering names and email addresses for each new person you'd like to include. With your recipient list complete, let's move forward by clicking Upload. This function allows you to attach any additional documents that may be needed along with the template. It's beneficial for ensuring all necessary information is encapsulated within one single package. Having uploaded your documents, you are now ready to take advantage of DocuSign's templates by selecting Use a Template. This step is where you'll officially apply the template you've been working with to the documents you've uploaded. Next, you'll see a prompt to click on the name Sherry Leigh Magdalene. This is a placeholder indicating where the template will be applied. If the name is different depending on your setup, make sure to select the appropriate template for your case. Once selected, click on Add Selected. This action finalizes the addition of your template to the envelope, wrapping up all the details needed for a smooth transaction. Lastly, click on Next to proceed towards completing the sending process. This will lead you through any final adjustments and on to submitting the envelope for signing. And there you have it, a straightforward, effective way to apply a template to an envelope in DocuSign eSignature. Whether for business or personal use, this method ensures you save time while maintaining accuracy in all your e-signature needs. Thank you for watching, and happy signing.